Tropical houseplants can bring color and exotic style to your house even if you live in a colder environment. While some tropical houseplants are best known for their eye-popping flowers, others are loved for their big, abnormally patterned or variegated leaves. The following tropical plants can be grown inside your home to bring a bit of the jungle into your living room, bath, or bedroom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 wonderful tropical plants to grow inside your home. Before that, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Well, here are 10 fantastic tropical plants to grow indoors. Number 1. Amazon Elephant's Ear, Alocasia amazonica. Amazon elephant's ear is common, however distinct and practically regal. Big, arrow-shaped green leaves are ribbed with silver. They are a lot easier to grow within than a lot of Alocasia types, and offer seasonal displays of terrific foliage. They prefer rich, fast-draining potting soil, and do require regular feeding. This plant originated in Southeast Asia. Number 2. Anthurium, Anthurium andrianum. Anthurium andrianum is a tropical plant that is extremely prized for its majestic, bright flowers. Numerous Anthurium cultivars are readily available, and while they are challenging to grow, they are highly satisfying plants. Plant them in rich, loose potting soil and make sure the roots are not too moist. If you are looking particularly for plants with pink flowers or leaves, consider adding a Mexican shrimp plant to your collection. Number 3. Orchids, Orchidaceae. Orchids are the most varied of all plant groups. They originate from all over the world, from deserts to forests to tropical forests. However, the orchids the majority of people enjoy are from tropical and subtropical environments. A blooming orchid is an essential tropical plant. Avoid dry air, direct heat or drafts, and direct sunshine. Instead, offer a warm, humid environment. Number 4. Bromeliads, Bromeliaceae. Bromeliads are probably the most convenient of all tropical plants to grow. These tropical epiphytes, air plants, are quickly adjusted to growing in pots, and they are much more tolerant than many of their lush-leaved co-workers. They come in a broad variety of colors and textures. Bromeliads can be grown in fast-draining potting soil, including peat-based soil and sand. Bromeliads can likewise be grown installed to boards or logs and held on the wall. Number 5. Cordyline, Terminalis. Ask anybody who has been to Hawaii, cordyline is practically associated with the tropics. These vibrant and colorful foliage plants are offered in a large selection of leaf colors, and with proper care, can provide a significant accent. It is also called the ti tree, or Hawaiianti tree. Number 6. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia seguin. Dumb cane is ubiquitous as a houseplant, so it is simple to forget it is likewise a true tropical foliage plant. To grow this popular plant, utilize a fast-draining potting mix. Find it in a warm and draft-free area. Number 7. Ficus, Ficus benjamin. Ficus plants are fussy, however a well-grown ficus is near the pinnacle of houseplants. Big, glossy and enforcing, ficus plants are well worth the effort. Ficus plants drop their leaves in drafty, cold conditions, and they do not like to be moved. In fact, they absolutely need appropriate light, heat, and humidity. Do not overwater. Expect bugs such as mites, mealybugs, whiteflies, and aphids. Number 8. Kentia palm, Hauea. Palm trees are the enduring sign of everything tropical, and lots of palms are easy to grow indoors. You can enjoy them in an entranceway or the corner of a warm space, and be transferred back to your tropical holiday. You are in good company. too. Queen Victoria made sure that Kentia palms were utilized throughout her numerous homes. Plant your palm in a fast-draining potting mix, fertilize monthly, and keep your plant warm. Number 9. Peace Lily, Spathiphyllum. Peace lilies are lovely, particularly when massed and in flower. This plant is simple to grow and preserve, and the blooms last for months. Even if they are a little difficult to overwinter, it is still well worth the effort. Number 10. Philodendron. For indoor use, there are climbing up varieties and the self-heading, non-climbing, kinds of philodendrons. More recent hybrids have been reproduced that mix the vigor and ease of the climbing up ranges with the benefit of the self-heading ranges. It is easier than ever to grow them. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have any notifications turned on so you're first to see the next video. Have a beautiful week. See you next.